Hey, so if you ever want to review how a file is built, like for example, go into your samples and find one of these pre-built designs like the utility knife. And you'll notice that the design history or the design tree is going to pop up. And one thing that you can do right away is just hit this play button. Now what this is going to do is going to take you through step by step. You know, it's taking just a few seconds in between each step, sometimes a little longer based on a rebuild. But this can give you a quick glimpse into how it was built. Another process or another workflow would probably be to hit the move to beginning button. It starts the beginning, and then you can do it step by step. So this allows me to explore and see these sketches and canvases. That's what we're working with to begin with. And then I can see each resolving step and how this is being built. And then at any point, I can inspect the feature, right-click, edit, or edit the sketch, bring that up to explore how this was done, look for ideas on better modeling and how I can use the same process. Okay? And then, of course, you can jump quickly to the end with the Move to End button. Hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching.